9 times 1 gives us 9. So we have 9 divided by 1 times 9. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So we have 9 divided by 1 times 9. Multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. So here first we have to do this division. 9 divided by 1 is just 9. So we have 9 times 9, which gives us 81. And this is our final answer to this problem. And this answer is correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. So therefore, this answer is correct. But if you don't follow this rule and first do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this division, you'll get the wrong answer. Okay, like this. First this parentheses, 9 times 1 gives us 9. Then this multiplication, 1 times 9 is just 9. So we have 9 divided by 9, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct. And the correct answer, as I said, is just 81.